Picture this, Habs faithful. The Montreal Canadiens are not just building for the future. They are actively shaping a roster designed for a Stanley Cup run, and Kent Hughes is pushing all his chips to the middle of the table. This isn't about incremental improvements. It's about high-stakes gambles and transformative moves. Today, we're diving deep into the most electrifying rumors and developments surrounding our beloved Canadiens, from shocking trade targets to incredible prospect transformations. Get ready, because the path to the Cup is getting clearer, and it's paved with bold decisions. Let's kick things off with a bombshell that's sending ripples across the NHL. Serious trade rumors linking the Montreal Canadiens to Boston Bruins center Pavel Zacha. Yes, you heard that right. A direct rival, a key piece from our most hated adversary. This isn't just speculation. Insiders are reporting that Kent Hughes is actively pursuing Zacha, a move that will be nothing short of audacious. Zacha, a 27-year-old center, has quietly become a reliable two-way force for the Bruins, consistently putting up 50 to 60 points while playing a responsible defensive game. He's got size, skill, and a proven ability to perform in the pressure cooker of the Atlantic Division. For the Canadiens, who are looking to add proven scoring and bolster their center depth behind Nick Suzuki, Zacha represents a perfect fit. He could anchor our second line, providing stability, offensive punch, and crucial face-off wins, allowing our younger wingers like Cole Caulfield and Uri Slavkovsky to thrive. But why would the Bruins even consider moving a player like Zacha, especially to a division rival? The answer, as always, lies in the salary cap and roster construction. Boston is perennially up against the cap, and with their core aging, they might be looking to retool or free up space for other moves. Hughes, ever the opportunist, could be capitalizing on this. The cost, however, would be significant. To prize Zacha from Boston, the Canadiens would likely need to offer a package centered around a first-round pick, a promising prospect, and perhaps a roster player to balance the deal. This is where our deep prospect pool and wealth of draft capital come into play. Imagine a scenario where we send a package including a pick and a prospect like Philip Mizar or Riley Kidney, along with a veteran like Josh Anderson, to Boston. It's a steep price, but acquiring a proven two-way center as prime could be the missing piece to elevate our forward group from very good to truly elite. This isn't just a trade, it's a statement, a direct challenge to our rivals that we are coming for top. Next up, let's talk about a transformation that has the entire organization buzzing. Florian Chakad's incredible physical development. Arber Chakad's younger brother, Florian, is making waves with his relentless work ethic and dramatic physical transformation. While Arber brings a raw power and intimidation, Florian is showing a more refined, yet equally imposing physical game. He's added significant muscle, improved his skating, and is dominating at the junior level, showcasing a blend of size, skill, and tenacity that makes him an incredibly exciting prospect. What does this mean for the team's future? It means the Chakaj brothers could potentially form a formidable, physical duo in Montreal for years to come. Florian's development adds another layer of depth to our prospect pool, giving Kent Hughes even more options down the line. He projects as a power forward who can play a heavy game, win battles along the boards, and contribute offensively, a perfect complement to our skilled, fast-paced roster. His progress is a testament to the Canadiens' development system and a clear indicator that we are building a team that will be tough to play against, both physically and skillfully. This deep dive analysis isn't just about individual players. It's about how the Habs are strategically shaping their roster for a Stanley Cup run. Kent Hughes isn't afraid to make bold moves, and the pursuit of Zacha is a prime example. This high-stakes gamble reflects a clear shift in philosophy. The rebuild is over, and the time to contend is now. We got the young core in Nick Suzuki, Cole Caulfield, Uri Slavkovsky, and Lane Hudson. We got the dynamic coaching of Martin St. Louis. Now, it's about adding the right pieces, the proven winners, the players who can elevate our game in the crucial moments. Consider the impact of adding a player like Zacha. He immediately strengthens our center depth, allowing Suzuki to continue his elite two-way play without being overburdened. It also provides a safety net for our younger centers, giving them more time to develop. On the power play, Zacha's net front presence and strong shot could add another dimension, making our special teams even more dangerous. On the penalty kill, his defensive responsibility and strong stick work would be invaluable. This isn't just about scoring. It's about creating a balanced, resilient, and deep roster that can withstand the rigors of an 82-game season and a grueling playoff run. The trade rumors aren't limited to Zacha. With our wealth of prospects and draft picks, the Canadiens are constantly being linked to other high-impact players. Hughes is meticulously evaluating every opportunity, looking for players who fit our system, our culture, and our championship timeline. This could involve moving some of our existing assets, whether it's a prospect who might be blocked in our system or a veteran player whose contract could be better utilized elsewhere. Every decision is calculated, every move designed to bring us closer to the ultimate goal. The transformation of Florian Tkac also highlights the success of our player development. It's not just about drafting talent. It's about nurturing it, providing the resources and guidance for players to reach their full potential. This T to development ensures a steady pipeline of talent, allowing us to maintain a competitive roster for years to come. It also gives Hughes more flexibility in trade talks, knowing that we have promising prospects ready to step up if needed. This is a must-watch report for every passionate Habs fan. We are witnessing a pivotal moment in the franchise's history. The high-stakes gambles, the pursuit of proven talent, the incredible development of our prospects. It's all part of Kent Hughes' master plan to bring the Stanley Cup back to Montreal. Don't miss a beat of this thrilling journey. So, let's throw a tough question into the mix to spark some heat in the comments. If the Canadiens have to give up a first-round pick and a top prospect like Philip Mizar to acquire Pavel Zacha from the Bruins, is that a price you're willing to pay to bolster our center depth and accelerate our cup window? Or do you think the cost is too high for a player who isn't a true superstar? What's your call? Bold move for Zacha or hold on to our assets? I want to hear your takes. Let's get the debate roaring louder than the Bell Center crowd. As we continue to track every rumor, every trade, and every development, the excitement for the Montreal Canadiens is palpable. This is our time, Habs Nation. If you're as hyped as I am about the direction of this team and the pursuit of the Stanley Cup, smash that like button to show your Habs pride. Subscribe for daily updates, in-depth discussions, and dedicated fan content. Join our community of passionate Habs fans and never miss a beat. Whether it's Nick Suzuki, Cole Caulfield, Uri Slavkovsky, or Lane Hudson highlights, Martin St. Louis' strategies, or Kent Hughes' moves, we've got you covered. Get the real scoop on Habs free agency, draft news, and the path to the playoffs. Go Habs go!